Hi guys, so welcome back, and today's video is going to be slightly different to the other two videos on my channel. Like the other two were vlogs, but this one's just going to be a normal video, I guess. As you can see by the title already, I am going to be doing a kind of pack with me video where I just show you how I pack and just little hacks that I do to make it easier for you to fly or just pack in general. So yeah, let's get on into the video. So the first thing I do before I do like put it into my suitcase is I just lay it out onto my bed. Let's start explaining them. So over here, I'll start over here and work my way over. So over here, I'm kind of iffy about this. Like all of this is fine, but I'm kind of iffy about this. Depends on the space. If I have space, I'll bring it. If I don't have space, I won't bring it, I guess. But it's basically just this kind of tube top and just white, and then a pair of shorts, dungarees. They're pretty cute, but they're a small bit big, but I just put a belt on them and they're fine. So then over here is my shorts. I just have 3 pairs of denim shorts. These are kind of like baggy denim shorts. These are just kind of high-waisted shorts with like flower patterns on them. I think they're super cute. And then I just have another pair of high-waisted shorts with like a silver strip down them. It's that. And then I would usually bring at least one jumper just in case it does get cold, because sometimes like at nighttime it would get cold. So I just bring one jumper in case. This is just like a yellow jumper that's slightly cropped. So then over here I have 2 t-shirts. So I'm just bringing a denim skirt as well, just for, you know, in case I do need to slightly dress up more than the denim shorts, or if I bring the dungarees, more than the dungarees. So yeah, that's that one. And then moving on to this one. So yeah, so and then here is a pile of tops. So I have 4 tops. I know it looks like 5, but these are kind of like, because this is like, this yellow top is see-through, so like I need to have this white top underneath so it doesn't look bad. And then I have like this just colored top, this like striped, it's like a v-neck top, and black and white striped top, that's cropped. So this colorful top and this top is cropped, and then the other 2 are basically full length string tops, I guess. And then moving on here, so these are just like casual wear tops, you know. And then here is more of a dressy up kind of tops. So this is just a tube top, black and white kind of, yeah. This is just a yellow string kind of top that has like flowers on it, as you can see. So that's that one. And then another kind of yellowy orange, it's kind of, I think it's more like orange, but, and it's a bodycon. Let's undo it. So it's just a bodycon, but then it's up at the top, that's the back. So up at the top, it's like not like your average kind of cami vest where it like comes up on the strings. It's literally just straight across, which okay. So after the kind of dressy up tops, I just have 2 pairs of like soft shorts, just in case like I'm not in the mood to wear denim. And then I just have this really oversized t-shirt. Like, it is so baggy, but it's like a cropped t-shirt. I usually just wear that for bed. So yeah, and then I just bring like one playsuit or romper kind of thing. Yeah, a romper. Okay, you didn't even see that. It's like a romper with daisies on it, and it's navy, and it is really cute. I tried to find more like these, but I just can't find one that actually fits me. So, you know, this one does for the minute. I have 3 bikinis. I bought 2 this year, but then I also have like my favorite that I've had every single year. So this is my favorite one that I've had forever, because you can see this has been washed, just to tell you. It's like all brown and That's disgusting. But anyway, so it's just like these triangle bikinis with like a floral pattern here, and then it's just like a halter neck. It's really comfortable and it looks really good on. And then these are the bikini bottoms. They're basically just the floral pattern. They're not high-waisted or anything, they're just normal bikini pants. So the next one is like this royal blue with zigzag patterns on it, and it does have like strings on it, but you can take the strings off and make it like a tube top kind of thing. The bottoms are basically the same. They have plain royal blue on them, and then the zigzaggy kind of elastic pattern here, and they're not high-waisted either. I can never ever find a pair of bikini bottoms that are high-waisted, so I've given up trying. And then the last one is, obviously this is my favorite. The black one is my second favorite, and that one's alright. It's not the best, but all my other ones are pretty small or disgusting, so yeah. This one is basically just in case I need another bikini, but usually I get away with just having two, so that's perfectly fine. So the last one is a black bikini. So it has 3 buttons here, and then it has like this little knot kind of thing there at the bottom. It looks really cute on, and then like the straps are, what is it called? You're able to tighten the straps if you need to, and then the back is literally just like a one thing cross with the adjustable straps. Adjustable, that's it. And then the pants are slightly different to the other ones because they're just black. They're not high-waisted either, and they have the tie things here, but you can re-tie them, which is really good because you can make it tighter or looser depending on your mood, I guess, or depending on your body shape. But yeah, so those are the bikinis, and then I just have underwear, but I don't really need to go through that. So yeah, that is the first process. So I just lay them on my bed and pick out all the clothes. I don't really match outfits, as I said, but you can see from that a lot of stuff will overlap, so I can match different tops with different pants. So that's that part. The next part is getting all the toiletries and like makeup, sunglasses. Okay, so I had to take a break because my camera died and I was uploading the last video that you guys just saw. I literally had to sit there and watch it upload, so it was a long time, and then I had to update. So it's been about 2 hours since I last spoke to you guys, and now it's dark outside, which isn't great, but we're going to work with it because I have to get this filmed before tomorrow. So this is, I kind of just lay them out here, and I just put a pair of sunglasses that I'm going to be bringing. They look the nicest. So then this bag is my toiletry bag, and then my makeup bag. So obviously when you're flying and you have the overhead bag, like the cabin bag, you can't bring too much liquids. I think it has to be like under 100 mils or 100 mils. So like this bag is literally just has like highlight, powder. Here are the stuff that has to go into like the little plastic pouch kind of things. Okay, so I have finished packing my suitcase. That's all done. There is a bit of space in there. Right now I'm packing like my backpack, so yeah, I'll just run through what I'm putting in. So my sunglasses in like the pen holders kind of, and then I have the wax for my braces and my headphones, because obviously this bag with all my liquids, that will go in the backpack as well. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted to show you guys. It looks like a bigger kind of wallet, but it has like a pocket here, and then when you open it up it has like just a bunch of different pockets, but it basically like holds all like ID. You would like put ID in there, your passport, obviously your boarding card for going over, so that just zips up obviously with the zip, and it's so handy, so useful. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and obviously other videos as well. Turn on the post notifications to get notified when I post so you don't miss a video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.